Did you know your car's screen can actually become a full desktop computer powered by your Samsung phone? Sounds crazy, right? But with just one small device, the AutoPro X adapter, you can unlock Samsung DeX and transform your infotainment system into a full-fledged productivity and entertainment machine. If that sounds like something out of the future, well, the future is already here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into how to set up and use Samsung DeX in your car display using the AutoPro X. We'll walk through unboxing, setup, features, real-world performance, and more. Plus, I'll give you my honest thoughts on whether it's worth the price tag. If you're into tech that actually makes your life easier and cooler, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Oh, and as always, links are in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. Opening the box, you're greeted by the AutoPro X adapter itself. Super sleek, compact, and finished in a soft matte black that feels premium right out of the gate. It's shaped like a small puck, and the build quality is seriously solid. Alongside the adapter, there's a USB-C to USB-A cable for connecting to your car's USB port, and a user manual for setup instructions and troubleshooting tips. Honestly though, the setup is so straightforward you probably won't need the manual unless something goes wrong. One of the things I immediately appreciated is the size. It's tiny. Like, tuck it anywhere and forget it's there. Tiny. And that matte finish, not only does it look great, but it also resists fingerprints, which is a nice bonus. Design-wise, it's clean, minimal, and blends right in with most modern car interiors. It won't mess with your dashboard aesthetic, which I know matters to a lot of us. So, how do you actually get Samsung DeX running in your car with the AutoPro X? Good news, it's a breeze. First, just plug the adapter into your car's USB port using the included cable. Then, grab your Samsung Galaxy phone, turn on Bluetooth, and pair it with the AutoPro X. Once that's done, swipe down from the top of your screen, find the DeX option, and tap it. Your phone will detect the AutoPro X as a display device. Just select it, and you're in. The DeX interface will now show up on your car's screen, giving you access to a full desktop-style environment powered entirely by your phone. Now here's the catch. Your car's infotainment system does need to support video input and touchscreen, or at least some form of navigation like a rotary knob or touchpad. If your system is compatible, the experience is nothing short of impressive. If not, well, you might want to check compatibility before hitting that buy button. Once you're connected, the possibilities open up fast. You can stream videos on YouTube, blast your favorite playlists on, browse the web, check emails, edit documents using Microsoft Office apps. It's basically like having your laptop screen show up in your car. You can even run multiple apps at the same time, arrange them in resizable windows, and switch between tasks just like you would on a PC. What's cool is that you can use DeX not just for productivity, but for smarter navigation too. For example, you can have Google Maps running on one part of the screen while simultaneously replying to messages or changing your Spotify playlist. It turns your car into a mobile command center. Real-world use has been smooth for the most part, no noticeable lag as long as your smartphone is powerful enough and your infotainment system is up to the task. I tested it with a Galaxy S23 Ultra and had no hiccups. What would you use this setup for the most? Watching videos on breaks, getting work done on the go, or maybe just having a smarter nav and music setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you'd put it to use. Now let's talk design and durability. The AutoPro X is well built and thoughtfully designed. The matte finish helps it stay smudge-free, and it feels durable enough to handle constant plugging and unplugging if needed. Though once it's set up, most people will just leave it plugged in. It doesn't overheat during long drives, and it has a solid weight that makes it feel more premium than your average tech dongle. It's not flashy, it's functional, discreet, and effective. Ease of use is another big win here. The setup is plug and play, with clear prompts on your Galaxy phone. No complicated apps, no account setup, no shady permissions, just connect, tap, and you're in. And the adapter supports firmware updates, which means you'll continue getting improvements and compatibility upgrades down the road. Now, let's address the big question: how does the AutoPro X compare to other wireless Android Auto adapters on the market? Most alternatives focus only on mirroring Android Auto, which, let's be honest, is useful but limited. You're stuck in a simplified interface made for basic driving functions. The AutoPro X, however, opens the door to Samsung DeX, a full desktop experience that's light years ahead in terms of multitasking and app support. It's like the difference between using a basic remote control and having a smart tablet built into your dash. That alone gives it a major edge. So, is it worth it? If you've got a compatible Samsung phone, a car with a solid infotainment system, and you like the idea of turning your vehicle into a rolling productivity center, then yes, absolutely. The AutoPro X delivers a truly unique experience that no other adapter in this category can match. Just remember to check your car's compatibility before buying, because this setup only works its magic when all the pieces fit. Before we wrap up, let's hit the pros and cons real quick. Pros: it gives you full Samsung DeX functionality, supports way more apps than standard Android Auto, and has a sleek, compact design that won't clutter your car. Cons: it's more expensive than regular Android Auto adapters. Not every car infotainment system will support it, and the DeX interface may not scale perfectly on every screen. But these are minor if you've got the right setup. So what do you think? Is the AutoPro X something you'd add to your car? Would you use it more for work, entertainment, or both? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and as always, all the links are in the description below if you want to grab your own AutoPro X and take your car tech to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.